If you have students with academic accommodation options, these can be enabled on each assessment. Click into the assessment, click Students, search for the student who you would like to add an accommodation option for. Click on the submission status here and scroll down to the bottom to the accommodation options. So there are 3 ways that Crowdmark supports students who have academic accommodation options. You can choose to enable one or all of these. Customize the due date by selecting that checkbox and choosing a new due date and time for the student. Customizing the lateness penalty. So this is the total penalty for the student. It's not a penalty per day here. And if you have set up a timed assessment, you can also customize the time the student has to complete the assessment here. And then click Save. Once you have saved those accommodation options, you'll see that there's a wheel beside the submission status, and that's just letting you know that those students with the wheel beside their submission status have accommodation options.